Hey guys, we're headed out to do a grocery haul today. I need to go to Costco and Trader Joe's. It is a dreary, rainy day. We have been getting some really nice weather this fall so far, like sunshine and gorgeous. And so now we're back to regular November in Oregon, and it feels like a little bit of a bummer, but we've been spoiled. I am trying to ease myself back into weekly grocery shopping. I have been not doing regular grocery shopping trips recently, probably since before the summer. I have not been sticking to a strict grocery budget since before the summer, and you guys that watch me know that that's because I've been working on a cookbook, and I've just been having to buy whatever ingredients I need for whatever recipes I'm testing. And since I'm kind of at the tail end of that process, I'm going to ease myself back into the weekly grocery shopping and kind of keep a little bit more of a handle on how much I'm spending on groceries. I may switch to bi-weekly after a while. I'm just going to kind of see how it goes, but right now weekly is working. I'm trying to stick to around 150 a week, and that puts me at my 600 a month grocery budget. And but we're flexible, so I like I said, I'm easing myself into it, not doing anything super strict, but I think I should be able to keep it around 150 today. So I'm going to be heading out with 3 of the girls, Talia, Charity, and Renee, and we're going to get our shopping taken care of for the week.
A lollipop if we find the Sasquatch?
A lollipop if we find the Sasquatch.
You mean the meerkat?
No, this one it is the Sasquatch. She's right. Sometimes it's a meerkat, sometimes it's a Sasquatch.
So rainy. Yeah. If it's so rainy, I can jump in puddles at home.
That's true.
In the puddles right here.
Well, I don't want to get you all wet before we
If we
go shopping.
fish time.
Did you guys want to check out the sample?
Yeah.
Okay.
I wonder what it is.
I don't know. Cauliflower tater tot casserole and something else over there. It looks like oranges maybe. All right, I want to get some coffee.
I don't want to try it.
Renee, did you want to hold the list?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, we need to get some green onions. They're right here.
Please get the watermelon.
No, we're not getting watermelon this time of year. No watermelons. Okay, let's get some yogurt.
Can we eat yogurt? Look, the pumpkins have really big mouths.
Oh my goodness, how silly is that?
Pumpkins have really big mouths. Artichoke, kale.
All right. They changed the packaging to our tortillas. Look at that.
Oh.
Those are nice. Let's get one more. Can you grab one more? Right there. Okay, and let's go. I think they're going to taste the same. I think popcorn might be down here.
Wait, popcorn? We need popcorn?
Well, like popcorn kernels to pop.
I got pasta checked off.
Okay, I think we need to go back to the produce for artichokes and tomatoes.
Why? It wants so much coffee. It wants the coffee.
There it is.
It wants the coffee.
Good job, girls.
Are you going to go check out now?
Pretty quick. Let's make sure we got everything off our list.
It wants the coffee so much.
I think so.
I think it should be you because you love coffee.
Yeah, it probably is. That's me sitting up there.
Is this watermelon?
Raspberry.
I got raspberry.
We made it out of Trader Joe's for a little less than $50, so if I keep my Costco haul under $100, we should be good.
That's a giant puddle.
Yeah, let's not step in it.
All right, girls. You wanted to look at the Christmas tree stuff?
Yeah. It's really big.
Yeah, that's cool. What do you see?
Keep looking up.
Keep looking up. Oh, look at those. Those are funny.
Look at these are like fruit.
Look at these. Look at this flamingo.
You laid
That's funny.
It's very cute.
Look at the giant Mickey Mouse, Renee. It's bigger than you. Smile.
Look at my hand. How many days till Christmas?
Oh, it is still like a month and a half away.
How long is it?
A month is around 30 days. We're getting bananas. No, we're not getting watermelon. What?
1 or 2 packs.
Just one. There you go. Renee, cucumbers for you.
And yay, you found it. Renee, look, you're gonna try to catch it.
All right, we should look at the ad real quick just to make sure there's nothing else that we need that's on sale. Bacon. It says BACON. Nice job. I forgot this yogurt was going to be on such a good price here. I wouldn't have got the stuff at Trader Joe's, but I guess we'll just stock up here.
Okay. 1, 2. 2 more things on the list. I'm on sale.
You don't like them, but the other girls do. And they're on a good sale, so we'll just grab one. All right, I think we've done it, and I think we're going to make it under $100. We're winning today.
Wait, what?
I think we finished, and I think we got it under $100. Don't you think?
No.
Let's go right here.
We didn't finish. We still need some of those chocolates.
Yeah, right. Are you being my helper now, Levi? What are you doing sitting on the table? Ready, smile. Levi, smile. Good smile. All right, here is our tiny Costco haul. We got some bacon, some cucumbers, cheese wisps. What's this? You know, these make good drums.
Yeah.
Just like the peanut butter.
And also,
Nice job, Levi.
eggs, which Levi cannot have.
Levi cannot have.
And bananas, which Levi can have.
And Levi loves, with all his heart, bananas are his favorite food in the world currently.
And
Yes, I know, they're so good.
avocado
Oil.
Yeah.
Avocado oil, you're right.
And also cucumber.
I said cucumbers.
Levi should try them.
Yeah, he probably would like them. You just want bananas. I see how you are. Oh, you saying please? Thank you for talking so nicely. Thank you for talking so nicely, saying please for bananas.
Cows?
The total I spent at Costco was $61.61. Here is my Trader Joe's haul, and Renee wanted to say what everything was. Go ahead, my dear.
There's tortillas.
Let's start right here.
There's mushrooms and stripped carrots.
Stripped carrots,
And
cauliflower rice,
cauliflower rice and tortillas.
and tortillas, and 3 packs of tortillas. And this is kale. This is pickles that you don't like. I know. This is cream.
Cream and bell pepper.
Bell peppers. The kids thought the bottom of this bell pepper was so cool. Twisty and crazy. Popcorn. And a couple different patsas
Yes.
for mac and cheese.
Also lemon.
A couple lemons. Some red onion.
Yeah.
And green onion.
Also yogurt.
Also a couple yogurts that Levi wants to eat. This is feta cheese.
And potatoes.
Tomatoes. Some mint and some dill for a recipe. And artichokes for a recipe. And I think that's it. Levi, you just want to eat everything you see, huh? So at Trader Joe's, we spent $49.73. And I better get these groceries put away before this man digs into all of them. Let's get you some food, man. Obviously, you're starving to death even though you've already had 2 breakfasts. Here is my ever so simple grocery budget tracker for the month. I'm just using a couple pages out of my recipe planner that was broken down by months, and I thought it'd probably be big enough for me to track my grocery budget. So here's my transactions from today: $49.73 at Trader Joe's, $61.61 at Costco, and I just put the total for the week right there, $111.34. And it was funny, last week I was $111.69, so that seems to be the number of the month. And then in these little boxes I just put the running total of how much I have left. So after my week 1 and week 2 grocery shopping trips, I have $376.97 left. I'm planning on making several yummy dinners this week with the groceries that I got today, and I'm going to be doing a dinners, Instant Pot dinners video with all those, so you can look forward to that. And I think that's it from us for today. I hope you guys are all doing great, and I'll talk to you real soon.